this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice dark brown coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the bed, utility package, as well as the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, you do have rear park sensing. You got that nice tow hook right there. Backup camera. Tow hitch. Oh my. We also have a nice gripped running board. You got a side view camera with blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing 2 tow hooks, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice gray cloth interior. Plenty of door space. You do have cup holders there, a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats for additional room. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space. You got your parking brake right there, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 9.9 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Taking a look over here, you do have a fair bit of storage, with storage here as well, 2 cup holders, storage, USB and USB-C. You have your drive modes with rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats plus dual climate, 12-volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as in the glove compartment. And above me, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. You also have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle where you can change the angle of the camera. You do have your park assist, hazards, and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation. These little red dots have shown you where your vehicle's been, your fave app, which is these few, Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth. Your apps in general, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA87202, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.